What if I told you that almost every single dollar you've ever spent on car AC repairs was completely unnecessary? That $300 AC recharge they sold you? Probably a scam. That $1,200 compressor replacement? You might have been able to avoid it entirely with nothing but a regular garden hose. Auto shops are counting on your confusion to line their pockets, but not today. Here are 10 hidden secrets that will turn your car from a rolling sweatbox into an absolute icebox without getting ripped off. Tip number 10. Unleash the recirculation button. You know that button with the car icon and the U-turn arrow? Most drivers have zero clue what it actually does. Normally, your AC pulls in blazing hot, humid air from outside and works itself to death trying to cool it down. But when you hit that button, the system switches to reusing the air that's already cold inside the cabin. It cools the car almost instantly, slashes strain on your compressor, and can even cut your fuel consumption by nearly 10%. If you're driving alone, press that button and feel the freeze. Tip number 9. The $20 breathing trick. Replacing your cabin air filter is the cheapest fix people ignore for way too long. After 12,000 miles, this thing gets choked with dust and pollen, forcing your AC to struggle and reducing airflow to a whisper. A mechanic will happily charge you $50 to swap it. Don't do it. Buy a filter online for $20, pop your glove box, and slide it in yourself in under 5 minutes. No tools required, and your vents will blast noticeably stronger. Tip number 8. Stop baking your dashboard. When it's 80 degrees outside, the inside of your car can rocket past 118 degrees in less than an hour. Your AC then has to fight an oven, burning more fuel and wearing out the compressor. A simple $8 windshield sunshade can drop that interior temperature by up to 40 degrees. Combine that with parking in the shade, and you've just bought the cheapest insurance to make your AC system last years longer. Tip number 7. Blast the condenser with a hose. Your AC works by dumping heat outside through the condenser, which sits right behind your front grille. Over time, bugs, dirt, and road grime get sucked into those delicate metal fins, forming a thick insulating layer of gunk. The heat gets trapped, the compressor works overtime, and eventually it burns out. A new compressor averages $1,200. Or you could just let the car cool off, grab a garden hose with a soft brush, and blast that debris away for free. Your AC will feel ice cold in 10 minutes. Tip number 6. Kill the science experiment. That nasty, musty smell when you turn on the air? That's mold growing right where your car breathes. The AC inlet at the bottom of your windshield. Leaves and moisture get trapped there, creating a breeding ground for bacteria. The fix is dirt cheap. Pull out your cabin filter, roll down the windows, set the fan to low, and spray Lysol directly into that exterior inlet. The fan will suck the disinfectant through the entire system, killing the spores instantly. Tip number 5. Stop wasting gas at idle. Letting your car sit idling with the AC on max, waiting for it to cool down, is a massive waste of fuel. Nearly half a gallon per hour. Instead, get in, turn the AC to max, and roll all the windows down for just 15 seconds while you start driving. Physical movement forces that superheated 200-degree air out of the cabin instantly. Roll them up, and the car cools down twice as fast while saving you money at the pump. Tip number 4. Test your cooling fans. Behind your grill, right after the condenser, are the cooling fans. If one of them dies, your AC will blow cold for a few minutes and then gradually turn warm because the heat has nowhere to go. To check them, crank the AC to max and look through the grill. After 5 minutes, both fans should be spinning like crazy. If one is dead, do not pay a dealer $500. You can grab an aftermarket fan for under $100 and bolt it in yourself with basic tools. Tip number 3. Inspect the serpentine belt. If you drive an older or high-mileage car, this 10-second check can save you a $2,000 catastrophic failure. The fan belt connects your engine's power directly to the AC compressor. If it's loose, slipping, or cracked, the compressor won't spin at the right speed, causing it to struggle, overheat, and die. A new belt is under $65. Pop the hood, If you see cracks, glazing, or hear it squealing on a cold start, replace it immediately. Tip number 2, the refrigerant reality check. Here is a fact mechanics hate. Refrigerant does not expire. In a perfectly sealed system, it lasts forever. But over time, tiny microscopic leaks happen and the AC blows warm. A shop will charge you $300 for a recharge, or you can buy a DIY kit at the auto parts store for $40. Just check your manual. Older cars use R134A, which is cheap, while newer cars use R1234YF, which costs 20 times more. Know what your car takes so no one can upsell you on a fake conversion. Tip number 1, the computer safety trap. This one confuses almost everyone. Your AC blows hot, so you assume the AC is broken. But modern cars have a built-in safety feature. If your engine coolant is low and the motor starts to run hot, the computer instantly shuts off the AC compressor to protect the engine. You're sitting there sweating, thinking you need a $1,000 AC overhaul, when all you actually needed was to top off your $15 engine coolant. Check your reservoir first. It might bring your ice-cold air back instantly. Look, you don't need to be a certified mechanic to keep your car's AC running like a freezer. Most of these problems are just dirt, neglect, or simple wear and tear. And the fixes cost less than a casual dinner out. So do not pay for an expensive diagnostic until you've checked the easy stuff yourself. Your wallet will thank you. And the next time a shop tries to sell you a repair you don't need, you'll know exactly what to say. Hit that like button if this saved you some cash. Subscribe for more honest automotive secrets, and go enjoy that mobile icebox.